In today's digital world, information is one of your most valuable assets, and protecting it has never been more critical. That's where information security, or Infosec, comes in. At its core, Infosec is the practice of protecting data, whether it's physical or digital, from unauthorized access, tampering, or loss. The goal? Keep your data confidential, accurate, and available when needed. That's known as the CIA Triad. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability, the foundation of any good security strategy. Now you might wonder, isn't that the same as cybersecurity? Not quite. Cybersecurity focuses on digital threats. Infosec covers everything: paper files, voice recordings, even conversations in a hallway. Threats to information come in many forms: malware, phishing, insider mistakes, and even social engineering attacks that trick people into giving up access. That's why organizations build layered defenses, technical tools, policies, and just as important, trained employees. An effective Infosec policy defines who gets access to what, how data is classified, and what happens during a breach. To support this, many businesses follow global standards like ISO 27001 or the NIST cybersecurity framework. But tools and policies alone aren't enough. People are your first line of defense. That's why security awareness training is so critical, and why careers in Infosec, from analysts to CISOs, are more in demand than ever. As threats evolve, so must we. AI, zero trust models, and new privacy laws are all shaping the future of information security. Bottom line, Infosec isn't just an IT problem. It's a business imperative, and everyone has a role to play. Visit us at cyberhaven.com to learn how Cyberhaven is helping our customers with their information security posture.